Yes, it can Kasumi polish. You're just going to need to have a lot of skill to handle your scratch pattern. Nagara, I'm going to use 600 grit diamond plate. And you see instant metal removal. Quick cutting. But fine level. Very fast darkening of the slurry. Love that. Silky feedback. Super fine. You can see on a very wide bevel, this stone likes to generate some very nice cutting. Wow, that is impressive, I'm not gonna lie. That is a lot of cutting power. I'm already absolutely in love with it. Okay, that's a pretty decent slurry we have there. Fine work. Wow, that is beautiful. I'm pretty happy with the results of the Nusantara stone. It's my skills as a sharpener that need a lot of work. But that's okay. It's my first time trying to do a Kasumi polish. I still have rogue scratches from my lower grit stones, but good distinction in the edge and pretty finish, and it definitely has that hazy appearance. I just have to work on technique and placement. And from what I understand about stones, I would say that the Nusantara is on the harder side of knife finishing. It is really the beginnings of something great. So I'm not surprised I didn't get a Grandmaster sword polishing finish on my first shot, but it's light years ahead of where it was when I first got it. The results are pretty awesome. You can see why mastering sword polishing is such an art form. You can see where I got crazy with my early grinding stages. So lots of learning to do there. But overall, epic results. I really enjoyed using the Nusantara, and I'm going to be using it for years to come. And from here, I just have to develop my skills with blades. So whatever imperfections we're going to see in this is going to be because I'm brand new to trying to do Kasumi. Also, bear with me with this hotel lighting. It's 4 a.m. here. I've been doing another very, very long session, and it's safe to say Kasumi polish effect is very doable, and if you slurry the stone, you're going to get very great cutting results. The slurry turned black immediately, and it wiped away the 3000 grit Chaucera scratches. I'm still just seeing scratches from the 600 grit stone. I got most of the original factory grind ones out, but you can just see where I was doing extra work with my 600 down here. And as I gain experience, it's going to get easier for me to review blade work. So right now, some of this feels like guesswork. I'm sure that with time, it's going to become second nature.